Hi, it's me, Gabby. I'm so glad you're here. We're going to a fabulous fairy tea party with Kitty Fairy.
It's gonna be fairy-tastic. Hi, Gabby. Hi, Pandy. I hope you all are thirsty. It's almost time for our fabulous fairy tea party.
Did someone say tea party?
We sure did. Do you want to join us, Cat Rat?
Don't mind if I do.
The tea party starts at tea o'clock. That's when the big hand points at the teacup.
Ooh, that's in 5 seconds. Count down with us. Start at 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's tea o'clock.
Whoa! All that fairy dust made a table grow right out of the ground.
It's growing everything we need for our tea party. See? There's the teacup flowers. And there's the pickle tree.
Huh?
It's supposed to be a cake tree. Oh well, nothing I can't fix with a little garden magic.
Wait! Pandy Paws never passes up on a pickle.
Don't you just love garden magic?
Now, since this is a fabulous fairy tea party, you get to be fabulous fairies too.
Whoa!
Now come on, fairy friends. Let's pick some teacup flowers.
Check it out. The flowers look like teacups. Aren't they beautiful?
Aha! Perfect!
Okay, fairies. Now that we all have our teacups, we can get some little cakes from the cake tree. Just pull on a line and... ta-da! You get a cake!
Oh, yum! I've got to get me one of those.
Me too. Whoa!
Meowsy!
That's strange. Mine's not working. Uh-oh. Oh, ah, yeah. Oh, phew. I hope that's all of them.
Come on, Cat Rat. You can sit next to me.
Tea's ready! Hope you like rainbow flavor!
Are you kidding me? Rainbow is my favorite.
Cat-tastic!
I'm glad you like it, but I can't help thinking we're forgetting something. The other fairies!
You can't have a fabulous fairy tea party without a bunch of fabulous fairies.
A straw! Thank you! Strawberry flavor.
Thanks for coming to our fairy-tastic tea party today.